So this is the last one. We've been setting this morning 5 hours. We had to move the beams out of the way before, but this will be it for the main walls. We hope to get the beams, which as you can see will run to the top of the columns. They got a number 8 bar that applies to this hole right here. So this is a lap joint that'll be on top of the columns. This is actually the end down here, and once we got them set, we'll fill it with grout and it should be ready for setting some precast on. So